Effectplan is an innovating system built on the latest technology. It has become one of the most popular tools for budgeting and forecasting, with over 250 customers in Scandinavia. You can get Effectplan in SaaS or private cloud in your own environment. What you now see is Effectplan from an administrator's view. I'll show you how easy it is to create a template. It's logical and intuitive. We start off creating sum levels. Accounts are added using drag and drop. With a few clicks, you can add planners, for example, cost centers. Create your budget or forecast version in one easy step. And add comparative figures from the previous planning process. Connect the workflow functions for a better overview. Activate your plan in one click. Your plan template is completed in less than 10 minutes, entirely through self-service. Now we switch to the interface your users will see based on the template you just created. Your user can now start planning. The plan can be customized according to individual user needs, or you can create one generic simple template that suits the entire organization. Now the plan is completed. You can get a real-time analysis in Effectplan reports and dashboard, or in your existing BI tool that you embed in Effectplan. With Effectplan, you get a reliable system that speeds up and enhances the quality of your planning process. Effectplan, a modern and easy way of planning with rapid time to value.